Hi guys, this is Nelson. It's a rainy day out here in the woods, but all the more reason to make some delicious tortelloni. The people who regularly watch my channel know that I love to use the Bushbox pocket stove that I got from Santa last year. But this year, good old Santa brought me something better. Santa brought me the Bushbox LF kit. LF stands for large folding. Let's check it out. The Bushbox LF comes in this very beautiful pouch. There it is. To assemble the LF, we simply fold it out, put down the ash catcher, and then the fire grate. And there you have it. Now, I'm going to put birch bark in. Small twigs. Let's light this baby. Okay, our Bushbox is going well. I'm going to put my pan on and add some bacon. There we go. Oh, some bacon on. Okay, now I'm going to put on paprika, onion and garlic. That paprika is good. Okay, our vegetables look cooked. Now we're going to add the passata. Okay. Some more fuel on my fire. My fire to go out. Our sauce looks good. Now we're going to add the tortelloni. There we go. Now, make sure that they're hot. There we go. That looks tasty already. Let's scoop some onto my plate. It looks good. So, let's have a taste. Delicious. Now I'm just going to sit here and enjoy my meal. This was the video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!